Hi guys! Blessed day to everyone. Today I'm going to be Chef Lloydie, and what we're going to prepare right now is an easy recipe, budget recipe, at the same time one of the most popular bread in the Philippines, which is Pandesal. So, ang Pandesal is one of the popular breakfasts also in the Philippines, kasama ng ating morning coffee and tea. At the same time, pinapalaman natin ito ng mga favorite natin na filling like peanut butter, cheese, or even yung normal butter lang na gusto natin. So, let's go guys! So now, excited na ako. Tikman natin ngayon yung ating finished product. Wow, mainit pa. Ating pandesal. Let's see. So, hiwain natin ngayon. Okay. And of course, lalagyan ko siya ng aking favorite na butter inside. Samahan nyo na rin syempre ng inyong mga favorite coffee and tea. Milk ko. One of my favorite is yung coffee natin. Tumalon siya. Now, samahan na natin ng favorite black coffee. Para mas kompleto ng ating morning merienda or breakfast. Tikman na natin ang ating pandesal. Ang home-baked pandesal by Lloydie. Lovely and nice. Sarap. Alam niya. So, guys, isend nyo sa akin yung mga pictures ng mga finish na nyo nang nagawa ng pandesal para ma-share ko rin sa ating next vlog at para makita din natin yung mga natutunan natin when it comes to baking natin, mga home-baked products natin. By the way, I also would like to say thank you. Shout out muna natin ang Aquino family, Eddie Rose Muyot and family, my dear friend of course ni Yansky, Elena Enrico and family, Nicholas Comoda, Sunny, my good friend in Dubai. I'm so happy kasi nagpadala siya ng mga pictures niya ng kanyang mga plants sa kanyang balcony din during my last vlog. And I'm so happy kasi na-inspire daw siya to plant more. And also to my classmates sa Philippines when I was in high school, si Marian Cachuela Cruz and her kids. Nagpadala din ng mga pictures niya ng iba't ibang mga halaman na nakatanim sa bahay. So, yan, nakikita nyo yan ngayon. Iba't ibang mga larawan ng mga kids and they're happy sa kanilang harvest, sa kanilang munting garden. Okay? So guys, thank you so much for watching. See you again on my next vlog. Take care and don't forget, everything is possible for him who believes.